Like it's ready.
Oh!
Oh, that's no good. That's no good. Good morning, fam. We're back with another video. This video is going to be a special one. We are back from our Hawaii vacation, all settled in now. We're going to go cook Vietnamese Banh Xeo. We're going to head over to a friend's house, going to relax and chill there and cook up a storm. So we're going to head downtown, pick up some fresh ingredients, and let's get started. Hello, hello. So the wife's already in here picking up some stuff.
I already got.
We're gonna go see my friend.
I need some
Bong.
flour, rice flour.
So the first ingredient we're gonna pick up, the most important one, is the rice flour. You just can't just pick up any rice flour. It's gotta be a certain one to make the dough. And the dough is actually very important. I guess it's a make it or break it ingredient. So you gotta make sure you pick up the right one. Hey! Hey! So you guys, this is my good friend Fong.
This is where you get your meat, okay?
Is this enough? 2 pounds?
This is where you get your meat, fresh cut pork,
The whole package.
chicken, or the whole package, whatever, pretty much whatever you guys want. Fong can hook you up.
KimFatMarket.ca.
So I got Fong to cut me pretty much pork belly, like into bacon strips. But this is important, another important ingredient that you need: fresh pork. Fong, can we get another 2 pounds?
Another one?
2? It's kind of nice to support one of these, these smaller mom and pop shops. It's good for our community. Bigger supermarkets are, it's just big chains. These are the ones. Nice, friendly faces. People, you get to know them all the time. I like supporting those kind of things. Personally, I think the most important part of a Vietnamese Banh Xeo is the batter. If you don't get it right, it ain't right. So we got all of our ingredients ready. Squid, shrimp, pork belly, sliced thinly, bean sprouts. Most important, your batter, and then your garnishes, onions, green onions, and yellow onions. So all that is all ready, prepped up, ready to go, and we're gonna get started. Just waiting for our first customer. I think it's ready. Oh, all right, guys. Put the oil in. Put the onions. What I like to do is I put all my ingredients in. Good here. What I like to do is I steam it just a little bit. Cooks everything evenly. that sizzle. Smells good. It's just something about onions and garlic. Has a nice aroma. Just feel it. You need to smell it. Smell it.
What do you have in there?
Feel the sizzle. So we got shrimp, squid, green onions, bacon.
Not bacon, just
Well,
pork.
it's the pork belly, and then your onions, yellow onions. We're just letting it all cook up right now. Let it sizzle. By the way, Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas. First vlog in 2020, you guys. Glad you guys are with me still. It just gets better. Just a nice thin layer to it. Put it on. Let it sit for a bit. We'll know when it's ready and we'll flip it. It's nice and sizzle. Make it nice and crispy. Like I said, you guys, the most important part is your batter. Without the batter, it ain't right. Oh, look at that, guys. Looks so good. Now we're waiting for it to get up to temperature, get it nice and crispy. Crispy on the outside, nice and chewy on the inside. That's the texture what you're looking for. I guess every time I eat out at the restaurant, when I order these, never happen. That's why you do it at home. How you know when it's almost ready is when you see it curl up on the sides. That's when you know that it's starting to get nice and cooked and crispy. Look at that, guys. Oh, just perfect. Nice and crispy. And that's how you do a Vietnamese Banh Xeo. Especially with my sister's recipe for the dough. Just perfect. Look at that, you guys. Just perfect. Alright guys, want to enjoy. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun recording this vlog. It was a lot of fun cooking for my friends. That was I guess, my first time recording or vlogging, cooking for them. It was exciting using my sister's recipe for the dough for the Banh Xeo. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for following along, and again, if you do like the video, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, you know, all the good stuff. Right, we'll see you in the next vlog. Biggest fan right there, just came back from Vancouver.